Yo, today we got a chicken and waffle sandwich and Brussels sprouts from Bird Talk in Garden Grove. First time here and I got everything for 15 bucks. Nice crispy chicken, soft waffles. The Brussels sprouts looks amazing. Can't have a chicken and waffle sandwich without syrup. And their own bird dip sauce, which is like their Cajun Thousand Island. Bird Talk chicken and waffle sandwich. First hit, cheers. Look at that color. That was really good. Oh man, these are fire. Dip it, dip it. The sandwich was really good, but the chicken was a little dry and I wish the waffle was a little crispier. There's nothing to say about the Brussels sprouts. It's really good.